How to fix DHgate payment verification. Now, if you're getting the error of payment verification on DHgate, it most likely means that DHgate is having trouble issuing your orders for a payment. Now, for that, you can just try to repay or choose a new payment verification once you're in your cart page. Now, once you're here, basically, you got it, and then you go to the checkout button. You've entered your shipping info and so on, and you try to confirm to pay. So there are different types of payment method based on your region. You can choose a new card, you can use Skrill, use PayPal, or you can use wire transfer. If you want to add a card, go ahead and then make sure to enter your card number, enter the expiration date, enter the CVV code, and tap on the pay now option to pay it, and make sure the card is working just fine. Otherwise, you can also select Skrill, tap on pay now, log into your Skrill account, and then you'd have successfully fixed the payment verification. It just means that DHgate is having trouble issuing your current payment method, so you can try to add and choose a new payment method. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.